JH Reid's PC270s. It's obviously a long reach excavator. Doesn't have a ditch clean bucket though, which I guess you know, pretty much is seen on most. The boom looks very thick for the machine. It's not like, say, on the JCB 220 model. Now we're going to come up here. Here's a D3G, which is really nothing special. It's not really a big dozer, it's Cat's smallest at the moment. Here's a 308 Komatsu. It's a zero tail swing machine. Not too big of a machine, it's decent size. Here's a PC400, which it looks to be higher off the undercarriage. I don't know why. It might, nah, it's not a high walker. Has your attachment for a thumb or a stiff arm for grapple, auxiliary lines. And there's a Bucyrus 30B, which, nah, I won't go up there, I can't even get up there. And now we'll walk back down. Go in here real quick. Just the cab side. Here's the Cat. Here's what they're working on. Over here. Just the blade. The blade isn't very big. Come on. Let's go back down. And here's the 270. That's an LR1300 crane. It's a Lieber. I believe it's a 330-ton crane. That's where we were. Here's the bridge they're building, which is very large. And here's a 270 again. Here's the old bridge. And that's where D3 was. And there we are. I'll get some other.